Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a what's in my bag. I'm carrying my Speedy B25 Damier bin, so stay tuned to see what it is I find inside of this little tiny bag. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content. And hit the like button for this video if you want to see more content like it. All right, it's just time. It's just time to do another what's in my bag. So I've been carrying around my Speedy B25 in the Damier bin. If you don't know by now, this has become my top favorite, absolute favorite. I just don't think that I could ever let it leave my collection. What I will say is that one day, if this one gave out, I would absolutely purchase it again, and I'd probably purchase it in the Damier bin again because it's so carefree. But don't be mistaken, I'm definitely interested in looking at maybe in the Damier Azur or possibly in the monogram. They're all so stinking cute. So without further ado, let's just jump right in and see. I have not cleaned this bag out. I don't think it's anything absolutely nutso in there, but you know, I haven't looked through it, so I could be wrong. So let me just move this here so I can see what all is in there. Let's start with the big stuff first. As you guys have just recently seen, my new Chanel yen wallet. It's the caviar quilted yen wallet. This thing is so awesome. It just holds so much. I have gift cards in there. I have cash down in there. Amazing wallet. I'll link some down below for you. The next large thing I have in there is basically like another purse. It's my pochette accessories. That is what I'm using as my catch-all right now. And I have inside of it Hemp's hand sanitizer. I'll link everything I talk about down below as best I can. If I can't find it, it won't be linked. So I have my mascara in there because I don't know why, but I kept forgetting to put my mascara on. So I put it in my purse and that way I had it when I went to work. I have a Lysol to go that I always forget is in there. I have my Clinique, my Happy, in case I feel like I need a little refresh of perfume. I have two Christian Dior lip glows. I have one is the 012, so the 12, it's rosewood, and the other one is 011 pink. They are so good. My Young Living Tranquil Roll-On Roller, in case, you know, I'm feeling stressed, which...
That's just my life.
I have some dental floss, just in case you get that seed that gets stuck in your teeth or something. I carry a pair of tweezers and apparently a piece of hair that was with it. Candy cane chapstick. That is my absolute favorite chapstick, hands down my favorite. And then a couple of like hair ties. And some cash from the salon that needs to go get deposited. So that's all of my pochette accessories. We may find some stuff inside of my purse that actually fell out because I leave that open inside of my purse. Next thing is my sunglasses holder that actually it's from Rough and Tumble. I think I have a pen in here. I do, I have a stylus pen. But I actually don't ever put my sunglasses in because I'm just kind of lazy about it. So there's that one. And I have this little Vera Bradley. You guys know I kind of carry around like a pharmacy with me. So I need to refill a lot of it, but I have like allergy meds, ibuprofen, Tylenol, Excedrin migraine, all of that. That is always so handy to have. There's my sunglasses just floating around. Real good for them. Let's see, I've got a couple of notes. This is my list for another piece of hair. This is my list for RDA for me to go purchase, but I'll probably end up going tomorrow. And then this is really cool. This is my name in Russian. I have a client that wrote that for me. I just thought that was really neat. So I'll probably keep that in my wallet just because it's cool and unique. I have O'Keeffe's Working Hands. I have my 6-key ring holder. This is probably my favorite SLG right now anyway, but this is the SLG that is always with me and it is so great. Again, I will link my video about it up up above, like up here, but you can carry like cards and cash and whatever in the back of it. So love this 6 key ring holder. This thing really holds a ton. Oh yeah, a little deodorant. That came when I picked up my Sam's Club order. They do these little like thank you gift bags right now. And that was one of the things in it. And I put it in my purse because I thought, oh, that'd be good to have at the salon or something just in case. And clearly I forgot that it was in there. So it's not hurting anything being in my purse. I have this little Lululemon. If you guys watched my what I purchased on Amazon video, this is one of the things that I purchased 2 months ago. And I actually went to return it and they told me just to keep it and they refunded me my money, which is awesome. Like great customer service, but also I'm like now I feel kind of like guilty because I'm using it, but I wasn't going to use it. I wanted to return it and then they just told me to keep it. So this is actually what I am carrying all my like loose change in right now. And the reason I wasn't going to keep it is it was not like, I know Lululemon bag material, and I don't know, this just felt like cheap and like an off-brand of it, but I don't think it is. I didn't love it. And so I went to return it and they said, just keep it. So I really like the fact though, that it is like real thin and holds all the coins like that. So it just kind of slips down in my purse like that. Put that right there. And, oh, I have some loose floating medicine that needs to go inside of that. It just sits on the top of that Vera Bradley. I have my reverse monogram card holder, Louis Vuitton card holder. I love this thing. This right now is housing a lot of gift cards, like food gift cards that I have. The gift cards that I have in my Chanel wallet are actually just like to stores gift cards. So for like home decor and that kind of stuff. So that's what I have in there. I love this thing. I have my work keys, which typically I don't like to let just float around there. I usually kind of keep them in the console of my car and I guess I just toss them in there, probably ride them in with me. But if I put them on the kitchen table, I'll forget that they're there and then I'll get to work and I won't have them. And I have my, oh my gosh, I love this little case I got on Etsy for my AirPod Pros. They're so amazing. I love this. This thing has held up really well so far. I've had it a couple months, I believe. Last but not least are these dog treats that a client brought me for the girls, and I forgot those were in there. She just brought them to me last week, but I hadn't really dug around in my purse, so they'll get those a little bit later. They're by, looks like Etta Says, E-T-T-A Says, S-A-Y-S, and they're just a chew for a dog. It's a duck recipe chew. I bet they're gonna love it. So that's everything. That's everything for my purse. It is empty. But do you see how much stuff this was carrying? Like all of that, like almost a whole nother purse it was carrying. This thing just, I love it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And let's see, in the little side pocket here, that's the zip side pocket, I have the textile cards. And I usually just leave those in there and zip it up. Typically, if the side pocket is big enough for like my work keys or something, I'll put them in there so it doesn't, those keys aren't like tearing out my Chanel wallet or something. But, and then as you can see, I have a different strap on it. This is a strap that I got on Amazon. I will also link it below, plus a whole bunch of other options. So you can just kind of dig around and check all those out.
That's what's in my bag.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the What's in My Bag. I love these videos. I'm always just so curious what other people carry in their purses. And especially in a purse that's like smaller like this. So that's everything that I carry in my purse. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll catch you next time. Bye. And then last but not least, are these dog, oh, set that up. They're gonna love that. The ingredients are rawhide, duck, caramel coloring, and salt. So, thank you so much for